Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Mayu. Umnisi, guys, if he wants to recall people, he must recall people. I need you remember, Uguti, Uzungu, kwathiwa umuvele eKape and feel kuthiwa ibaleka. Loyo Mangeni. That's his new name, actually. Loyo Mangeni. So kuthiwa he can actually recall, according to law. No, my lord, we also know law. They're busy trashing them last year in 2023, end of 2023. I'm sure who are you? What's all of that? You've been a lawyer all your life. Then you became a judge. So what makes you think you better? No, you are Mr. Know-it-all, but it's not like Assassin X Nut. Go by every time when he quotes cases, he'll be like, a company case 1975, Nomsholo wathi yebo ngiyayazi lo case. Umngomezulu was just like, please, I know my stuff. Please don't be that person towards us. Kanjalo ke uratha like I said, go choose my case lighter and do all sorts of things. So Omnis is like, yebo, I am recalling people. And finally I recall it, but I was like, uMakhuba angiboni ukuthi uzwaza because uMakhuba resigned. And uMakhuba Msengibuka was fearing for his life. Yakhumula uMakhuba baqeda ukukhahlela kwakhe. So umnyango and the gates and the child was the only teenager, was the only person that was in the house when they came, and they did nothing and then they left. Immediately after Ngomezulu was passing, manje bafuna uMakhuba babies uMakhuba was just like, you know what, warrant office, actually let me just leave the police force, I'm done, I'm tired. And he's the first person that came at Sedwa's house. Uyeno Peso 375. That's the person that we actually want. And that's the person who top three people that were going to be called by the late Thulan Ngomezulu. He was there. uMakhuba. He was just what am I gonna do with other people? Ngomezulu. Uhamba kuleyo path ke no brothers. Advocate Charlton says like, I'm going to help you. I'm going to call people. I just don't know if that's going to work. But yeah, I've said it for the past week. I'm not sure about Makhuba's situation. And police first, I think he was just like, I am so done. Terrorize. Why? So I'm sure it's just like whatever. So bese kuzoba iJMPD ne ama-AVL uyakwazi ukwathola wonke ayikho nje le nto yamapholo ayingena ama-AVL. Lalela guys, those lies that you cooked and fabricated zizobonakala manje ngithi and manufactured as per uMngomezulu zizobonakala manje cause azikho zonke lezi zinto babeshayana nenanza abantu singenzile lutho ugininda guys. Things are going to turn around and you won't believe it. Uzothi langilahlela kithi. And one day it will just be like yakhuphuka from somewhere. Guys, you can't play with 5 people. I've said this so many times. You don't know how other families, what other families actually are doing. You don't think they are praying people every day. They are praying and they like lo ginindo wathatha ingane zethu ayivalele ngenzile lutho akhumbula ngitheni go accuse number 4 ingane zakhe ehlala nosisi wakhe. They've been staying with her. Where does she get the money from to take care of those children? She was also here on YouTube doing the voice of the voiceless. Like I said, I don't see her anymore. Ngoba nayo uyashuthe some stage wabe yalandelwa eGolf Mhlophe eDeep Kloof somewhere. I don't know how many times she changed places to stay. She'll stay in this 4-room and move at Deep Kloof and stay in another house. Go back to wayelandelwa eGolf Mhlophe. For what? At the end of the day. So do you think it's right for other people to stay there bahlale for 6 years? But we actually in 6 years by now. Going for the 7th year. For people who never even saw Senzo Mayu like that, Bambona as a player and on TV when Usutu Bambule. Those are crazy things. So guys, allow my AVL safuna ngimbonele Jura sesenza some type of way ngaze goody is a nice waletha I'm demanding those AVLs ngiyafuna cause nami I'm done. Angifuni ngithukwa abantu. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Kuba vele thina we are going to drag and trash him. Just as much as engayifuni futhi YouTube. Akayifuni ke YouTube. Vele athi hey uzongitshela ngalabo bantu. Usho thina ke at that point. And thina we're not gonna stop fighting for the mayor. Thina sifuna 375 and umnisi is on the right path. He must push until we get to 375. U636 into enga-exist engekho. And Katia try to brainwash us and trash us as South Africans and be like, I don't know why South Africans believe the theory that they were no intruders. How rude. Guys, who do you think we are with like us like we can't see right through you? I mean, I see right through Ninda guys, and I'm so clear about it. I've seen people abanye besho izinto ngaye, oh, Kinida is so good. I'm just like, for you. And it's fine. This is why I don't allow people now to come to this channel and trashing me. Ukininda is the best police officer in the whole world. In fact, I'm just like, whatever. You know, yeah. And the question is, comments in life, you can keep them to yourself. Don't come to YouTube channels as Abantu and trash people. How hard it is to do YouTube. And I've said it so many times. I've been vocal about it. I went through some stuff with YouTube. I was demonetized last year in April. I've just been paid by YouTube in March. So how am I different from the 5 accused? So please, like I said, they might have done other things like accused number 5, that's fine, guys. But that's what we must concentrate on. Thank you so much, guys, for loving me, and I appreciate you for always watching my channel. Over. Thank you.